Modern Grundig dishwashers feature advanced error detection systems and smart technology that can help diagnose problems. Understanding when and why to reset your dishwasher can save you time and avoid unnecessary service calls. Research shows that dishwasher resets are needed for 5 main types of problems. Door lock malfunctions account for 35% of reset cases, making them the most common issue. Drainage problems represent 28% of cases, while temperature sensor errors account for 18%. Control panel freezing occurs in 12% of cases, and cycle interruptions make up the remaining 7%. Modern Grundig dishwashers offer multiple reset methods to address different types of problems. The control panel provides access to various reset functions. There are 4 main types of reset methods available. Soft resets use power cycling for minor glitches and are the most commonly used method. Factory resets provide complete system restoration, returning the dishwasher to original settings. Selective resets target specific functions without affecting other settings. Smart models also support app-based resets, allowing you to reset your dishwasher remotely through your smartphone. Before attempting any reset, it's crucial to identify the specific problem. Temperature sensor errors, for example, may require different approaches than control panel issues. Start by identifying the issue type. For minor glitches like temporary display problems, a simple soft reset is usually sufficient. For persistent software issues or recurring errors, a factory reset may be necessary. Understanding when and why to reset your Grundig dishwasher empowers you to resolve many common issues quickly and effectively. In the next section, we'll walk through the specific steps for each reset method. There are 3 main ways to reset your Grundig dishwasher. Each method targets different types of issues and works with different dishwasher models. The power reset is the most universal method and works on all Grundig dishwasher models. This method clears temporary errors and resolves about 80% of common issues. Step 1. Turn off your dishwasher completely. Look for the power button on the control panel and press it to shut down the unit. Step 2. Unplug the dishwasher from the power source. This ensures complete disconnection from electricity. If your dishwasher is hardwired, turn off the circuit breaker instead. Step 3. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. This waiting period allows the internal capacitors to fully discharge, ensuring a complete reset of the dishwasher's electronic systems. Step 4. Reconnect the power and turn on the dishwasher. Plug it back in or turn the circuit breaker back on, then press the power button to start the unit. The control panel reset uses a specific button combination to reset the electronic controls while preserving your custom settings. This method has an 85% success rate for display and control problems. Press and hold both the Start button and Program button simultaneously. You'll need to hold these buttons for 3 to 5 seconds until the display flashes. For smart Grundig dishwashers with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can perform a factory reset using the Grundig Home app. This method has a 91% success rate for smart model issues. Open the Grundig Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to Device Diagnostics, then select the Factory Reset option and follow the app's prompts for confirmation. After performing any reset method, always run a test cycle to verify that the issue has been resolved. If problems persist, you may need to contact Grundig customer support for further assistance.